Yeah, it's really energizing to be here again at GTR. Over the period of COVID, we haven't had a collaboration of so many individuals, both from the financial institution sector and then also from the private sector, all get together and be able to talk about trade stuff, truth be told. So a lot of great connectivity today, a lot of great communication today, seeing some old friends as well. So yeah, it's been a long day, but a very energizing day. Really enjoyed it.
Last year was really subdued. I think there was a sense of, okay, there's a bit of relief coming out of COVID. But if I can compare this year back to 2022, fundamental shift in the energy levels in the conference. So really good conversations. I think for the first day of the conference, I've really had some encouraging conversations with some really good technology companies, largely coming out of the UAE area. Really just meaningful conversations relative to what I've seen in the past couple of years.
Corporates are looking at diversifying their supply chains, and what this means is that they are balancing the risks and costs associated with cross-border procurement versus local procurement, and also the fact that there's been increased local procurements in the market.
I was very happy to see, one, that you'll see a lot more discussion around solving for SMEs, which is really encouraging because we come from a world where we've been solving for corporates in this space. But two, and I guess obviously, the continuous increased focus on digital and use of technology. You can't think about solving for this continent, you can't think about solving for SMEs generally without thinking about how you leverage digital and technology to solve for that. And that is about helping solve the product component, evaluating risk, managing the risk, giving clients access to markets, access to suppliers, and then of course access to information and education. Education is such an important part of helping SMEs understand how they could leverage banks and these types of solutions for some of the working capital challenges that they have.
Yeah, I think for the next 2 days it's interesting to hear views from different players in the market on what's happening in Africa, what are the next trends, especially for me the currency market of course is very interesting. Also hearing about new types of financing available and how to support our growth the best.